Luxury Diva time. I peeked online a little bit, saw one of the things they had was a red shirt, and I was hoping to get it. We'll see if I did. I also saw somebody got a black one, so it comes in at least 2 colors. Let's see. Total value of the box is $117. I never can remember one time the next. This box is either $30 or $35. I can't remember. I think it's $35. So let's see if I got $35 worth of stuff. That's what it looks like. Some tissue paper. And then some tissue paper with Luxury Diva. Oops, little sticker on it. Man, oh my. Yeah, this is not something I will wear. If any of you are plus size and you would wear these fishnet stockings in some kind of leopard print, yeah, I don't have anywhere to wear those. If you want queen size leopard print fishnet hose, let me know and I'll send them to you. That is just, yeah, no. Even when I was young, I wouldn't have worn that. Another hat. I get hats a lot for some reason, and it's not cold enough here where I wear them very much. This is super soft. It's a little beanie in ombre, purple ombre. I got some X's and O shaped pretzels, which I'll give to my grandson because it got gluten in them. I can't eat them. So far, I'm not doing too good. Oh, this is nice. It's a bronze and blush palette, sun-kissed. I had one like this, only it was a little smaller, that I dropped and broke, and I really liked it. So these are kind of dark. We'll see. We'll try them. I don't want to look like I've got big dirt streaks. There's an empty bag. I wonder what was supposed to go in this. I'll find it in the bottom of the box, I'm sure. Oh, this is nice. It's a little wallet with a heart on it and sort of a nice gray. I could use a new wallet. It's got like a little zipper for your change, a place for your driver's license and all your credit cards and stuff. A couple little spots for money or whatever. It's pretty nice. I'll have to see if I can fit all my junk in it. Don't see, oh, here it is. Here's what fell out. It's a heart shape, heart charm on a silver bracelet. I've got really small hands. I can almost, yep, I can. There, got really small hands and wrists. I could just, oh, I was making cards and that's ink. I made a bunch of cards. And I just got ink all over myself. I'm glad I noticed that. I'm going to go out tonight, and I wouldn't want to go out with ink all over me. So here is this. It's a little big for me, but might be able to make it smaller. It's cute. It's that really super silvery silver, if you know what I mean. This must have been what went in here. Get it back in here. This is the February box, in case you haven't figured that out. With the heart-shaped bracelet and the heart-shaped heart on here. Definitely February. But my shirt is neither red nor black. It is, well, it is blue. It's got like ruffly sleeves and shark bite hem. Let me take this off. So we'll try this on. Let you know what we think. I think, not we think. We is you and me, and you'll let me know what you think. Let's see, I didn't give you prices. This shirt value is $27, so that's almost the value of the whole box. This is $16. The hose, $19. The beanie cap, $16. The bracelet, $25. And this blush palette thingy is, blush and bronzer is $14. Huh. That seems a pretty good price for that. I'll have to see how I like it. So, value, all this adds up to, luckily they put it at the top for me, adds up to $117. I think this is my favorite lifestyle box. It's always got a wide variety of stuff, and the values usually not super over exaggerated, because some of them, like this little bracelet, they would say, oh, that's $69 or whatever, and this is $45, and they just really exaggerate the prices, and they don't seem to do that. I mean, maybe a little high on the beanie. $16. It is super soft though. But their prices are usually pretty in line with what you'd actually pay, not overinflated to make it look like a better bargain. So let me try that shirt on real quick, and we'll see what we all, together we'll see what we think. That's why I said we, I guess, because it's you and me make we. I don't know, what do you think? It's a little clingy, but it's not like I can send it back, so. But should I keep it and wear it, or do you think it's too clingy? How's it look? I like the sleeves. Sleeves are cute. I like the color. It's just right here as I'm not keep pulling it out trying to, there, that looks better. It is really wrinkled. It'll probably look better when it's been washed so it's not so wrinkly. I don't know. What do you think? So I got this shirt, the beanie, the bronze and blush duo or quadruo. It's not a duo, it's a, well, it's two duos. Anyway, palette. Some fishnetty hose in a leopard print. A nice enough wallet with a little heart clasp. And this bracelet with the heart on it. You could get this engraved, I bet, and give it to somebody as a gift with, you know, I love you or something on it. So it is Saturday today. What am I doing tomorrow? Oh, today and tomorrow. I don't know if some of you remember me talking about, I helped create a cookbook to make money for my grandkids' school. And they have this really big event every year that's this grandparents thing where the grandparents come and the kids put on a play and all that, and there'd be like 700 or 800 grandparents come. So that was where our big push was to sell the cookbooks, because it had recipes from grandparents and teachers and kids and everything in it. So that was going to be our big place to sell the cookbooks, and that was in April of last year, so you could guess what happened. The whole thing got canceled, and it may get canceled this year too. So we have a bunch of these cookbooks left. So they're having a play tomorrow, or today, Saturday and Sunday. Well, it's Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, but Saturday and Sunday, the matinee, I'm going to go help try and sell some of those cookbooks. We got to get rid of those things before they get too old, and now the kids that their families put recipes in it aren't even at the school anymore, so we gotta get those cookbooks gone. So that's what I'm doing this weekend, two afternoons selling cookbooks. And then Monday's Mask Monday. I don't know what else is coming up after that. I'm thinking on what's going to be Fridays, because I did my last Friday 5 yesterday, Friday, so I don't have any more clothes for you to help me go through. So we'll just have to see what I do on Friday. I'll come up with something fun, or you can help me come up with something you'd like to see. I will talk to you all again on Monday with a mask on. I think I'm going to use this one. It's La Clarisse Ultra Glow Moroccan Rose Mask. So I think that's what I'm going to use for Mask Monday, is this. I don't know if I've used it before or not. Nope, still got the seal on it. So that would be no. If you haven't done Luxury Diva before, I'd recommend at least giving it a try. I always get at least half of the box that I really like, and anything I don't want, there's always somebody else that wants it. I can give it away. Let me know what you think of this shirt. It's really super thin, so it would be good for summer, and it's in Texas, and it's really soft. Once I wash it, all the wrinkles are out. I'll probably like it a little better. It's pretty wrinkled. I really wanted the red one, but I like this blue too. I think it's pretty. Hope you all have the rest of your weekends a great weekend, and we'll see you next week. If you're interested in unboxings, which is mainly what I do, any other random thing that I think of to do, please subscribe and ring the little bell, or click the little bell so you get notified every time I put a video up. And I'll talk to you again soon.